Here's one addition to my kitchen I just can't live without now. It's this dry erase magnetic calendar. As a working mom and wife, I have a lot to remember. From sports and school to appointments and parties, our days are jam-packed. This has made our day-to-day so manageable. I keep it right on my fridge and refer to it at least 5 times a day. The quality is amazing. It just feels durable. And it comes with 8 markers in different colors and an eraser, all magnetic. So I've actually given each person in my family a color, which has been a game changer. My 5-year-old who is just learning to read can see when she has a school function or practice, and I know who needs to be where and when they need to get there. I also love that this comes with 3 bonus boards. I use one for a daily to-do list, one for my daughter's chores, and one for any groceries we need. I'm such a visual person, so having this right in front of me throughout the day is so helpful. It's also totally stain-free when I erase everything from the previous month. That has been such an issue with previous whiteboards. Not to mention, since we've started using this, I've rarely had to repeat our plans to my husband. And that's a win if you ask me. So whether you have a busy family, a packed schedule, or you're a visual person like me, this magnetic calendar is perfect.